Today we are making butterflies.
Yep, so what you're going to need is some construction paper.
I got construction paper right here, guys.
A marker or a pen or a pencil.
And we have some glue too and some scissors.
Glue and scissors. And then you can just use some like scrap construction paper too. But we'll get to that later. So the first step is folding the paper. So what I used to do is if you fold it this way, we call that hamburger. And then if you fold it the long way, we call it hot dog. After you fold it, you're going to, as you can see, I used a scrap piece of paper here. We already drew on this, but that's okay because it's going to be on the back anyway. So now you're going to make a almost like a heart shape, like a half of a heart shape. Start where the crease is and just come and loop, and then instead of coming back to the bottom of the heart, you're going to kind of come back around like this. So you'll be able to see that. Did you want to use this? Okay. So you're gonna, Lily, you're gonna start on the other side. Start on the crease side because that's the most important part. And you're not gonna go all the way to the edge. Okay, that's good. All right, and now we get to cutting. We're gonna cut right along that line that we just made. So now when we open it up, we have butterfly wings. Ooh, those are nice. All right. So now we need the butterfly body part that goes right down there in the middle. So
how are we gonna make it, Daddy?
Well, it's gonna be like an oval shape, pretty much. So what you need to do is grab one of these, the scrap pieces of paper, and kind of line it up to see how long the body needs to be. And it's going to be a little bit longer than the middle of the wings. So I'm just going to make a mark right there and right there. Do you need a hand over here? Okay, so you're going to have it be about, here we can just do right from the bottom. So right about there to right about here. And it's going to be a long oval shape like this.
This is my people, guys. This is mine, guys. Now what?
There we go. Do you think you can cut that out? All right, I'm going to do the same for mine right here. On the side that has the black marks or the pencil marks, whatever you used, that's the side we're going to put glue on, so we don't see that on our other side when we glue it down.
How are we going to glue it out down here?
Oh, just do your best.
When you do a video like us, make sure you get all of your supplies.
So now it's time to decorate the wings. You could use crayons or markers, whatever you want to use, but we have all this extra scrap paper, so we're going to make designs like circles and whatever else we want to make, and we're going to glue those onto our wings. And what we're going to do with this is we're going to fold it again. Again, it doesn't matter how you fold it, just fold it so that the ends touch each other, yeah. And we're doing this so when we cut it out, we're going to have two of the exact same shape. Just like that. Instead of cutting along the crease side, like we did when we made our wings, we're going to cut on the open side.
Hey guys, are you ready to see what we did so far?
Okay.
Hey guys, this is what we did so far.
Here's what mine looks like. There's Lily's. She's going to keep working on hers, but mine's done.
Can I see yours, Daddy?
Yeah.
Wow, it's so cool.
And Lily said that you can also add antennae if you wanted to do that too. But I'm going to let her finish up, but that's going to be the end of our video for today.
Bye!
See you later.